Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chicken stock from leftover rotisserie chicken. Now by using a leftover rotisserie chicken we're going to get more bang for our buck. Now this can be one that you made at home, or this can be one of the ones that you got from the grocery store that are already pre-cooked, but we do want to make sure that it's pre-cooked, so let me show you the ingredients that we need. For this recipe we are going to need the carcass of one cooked rotisserie chicken. Skin, bones, the drippings, all those that have congealed. We're going to throw that into our stock as well. We're also going to need 2 carrots that have been chopped. We're going to need 2 stalks of celery that have been chopped, 1 medium onion, 5 sprigs of fresh parsley, 1 bay leaf, 10 peppercorns, 4 cloves of garlic, and 6 cups of water. We're going to take all of our ingredients and go right into a large stock pot, and we're going to add in our 6 cups of water as well. All of our ingredients are inside our pan. We want to make sure that it's covered, and we're going to bring this up to a boil. Now that this has come up to a boil, we're going to reduce the heat to a medium low. We're going to cover it. We're going to leave our lid slightly askew, and we're going to let this boil for 1 to 2 hours, or not boil, but simmer for 1 to 2 hours. All right, our stock is done and the house is smelling amazing. We're going to pull out the carcass and set it aside and pick off any reserved meat, and we're going to head back over to the cutting board. Our next step is to strain the stock. We have a wire sieve here. We're just going to ladle out our broth, the little bones, and the vegetables, just like this. Make sure you're over a bowl or a jar. Kind of want to give this a little push, get some of that excess liquid out. We're going to keep doing this until we have it all strained. Let's give this a taste. It's very hot, so be careful. That's so good. You can leave it just like this. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. We did not add any salt into it before we got started, and you don't want to, because you can adjust your seasoning at the end. Now this is perfect. I'm going to show you how to put this into a container. This recipe yielded us about a little over 2 pints of this stock. It's really good. Now you can store it in a container in the fridge till it cools down. I like to throw it in the mason jars and let it cool down. And it can last up in the fridge up to 10 days, or once it's cool, you can put it in gallon bags and freeze it, and it can last in your freezer for up to 3 months. So let's get a taste of this real quick. Let's taste this. You want to give it a stir before you use it, that way you get everything mixed up. Very careful, it's hot. Spot on. It's perfect every single time. It's rich. You get the flavor of the vegetables, the heartiness of the chicken. It's just a fantastic chicken stock recipe and a great way to use the leftover rotisserie chicken and get more bang for your buck. Hope you enjoyed this video, so please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll have a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.